Jesus, that was horrible.
laid a stick out on him.
That was horrible.
John.
The goalie like tripped Jeremy and he went head first into the boards. It was ugly, ugly play. Jeremy's probably done. I mean, he could be seriously injured. And the ref like somehow didn't see any of that. I mean, it was.
That's twice you let
I don't think the goalie intentionally tried to trip him, but he did trip him.